comes to product images online, what works and what doesn't? My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales business. So let's take a look. This is an example of a area rug that was posted online, and as you can see, this is all it said, and this was the only image. It's really not compelling and doesn't give the customer any reason to want to click through. It doesn't make you stop and go, ooh, I have to have that. So we worked with this particular client and we helped them improve their images. As you can see, the silhouette actually has a lot more color and a lot more detail. And then over to the right, there is a lifestyle shot, which then gives the customer a good idea of what is an actual kind of size and scope of that particular rug and how it would fit in a room. So this is another example. This is of a decorative throw pillow company, and this is what they had online. That was it, just this pillow. And as you can see, I don't even know if it looks real, to tell you the truth. So it's not very becoming. Doesn't make you think you want to go and throw it on your couch. So we worked with this company and helped them develop a much better system for doing their imagery. As you can see, this is a picture of an actual pillow sample. They've included over here the close-up of the detail, so you can actually get a better idea of the fabric and the pattern. Next, you have a side view of the pillow so you can understand the thickness of the pillow. And you have a room scene, so you can see how it would look. Next is obviously you have the silhouette again. And the last piece is an interesting thing. It's an actual video that shows the customer the correct way to measure a pillow. You would be surprised how many times people order the wrong size pillow when they're looking. So there's a helpful video to figure that problem out for you. And this actual supplier created that video after getting several returns because the customer kept ordering something that was too small or too big. Here's another example, and this is of a furniture example of a good silhouette picture. Then we focus over here and you can see this is a detail shot, so you can see how the legs actually fit up under the table. And then finally, you have the insert of the room scene. Now, obviously online, these are three large and separate pictures, but for the purpose of our demonstration, I just wanted to show you how this really makes the customer understand and feel how you could use this particular piece in your home. So if you have any more questions about how you can create the perfect images, go to our website, rsgsales.com, or send us an email at info@rsgsales.com, and we would be happy to help you figure out what do you need to do to up your game when it comes to your images. Hope you have a great day.